We're here at the wet market of Tandangsora along Visayas Avenue. This is where I do daily marketing. After morning mass, I pass by here before going home because it's just right outside our village. And I'm buying bananas this morning. They're all lined up, several carts. Ayan, okay. These are lakatan, tama ba? Lakatan. And this is Litundan variety of bananas. We have best bananas in the Philippines. O magkano ngayong umaga ang ang kilo ng saging? 30. 35. So it changes from 35, 30, sometimes 25. Bakit pa iba-iba? Depende sa kuha ng saging. Okay, ang vendors natin this morning are, ano pangalan mo kuya?
Glenn.
Ha?
Glenn.
O asan na yung isa? Dong. Ano pangalan mo?
Ascal.
Ano?
Jason.
Ikaw naman. Jason. Yun, gusto ko yung nasa harapan. Yung harapan, yung yan, oo. So, titimbangin niya yan. Hindi mo na ititimbang?
Just call me my name. Wow, wow, wow.
Ayan.
Just call me my name. Wow, 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 wow.
Magkano? Magkano daw?
35 lang,
35. Bananas are good, full of potassium. Ngayon, magkano kinikita kuya? Paano sa pag... konti lang. Oo. So sa araw-araw, magkanong, kunyari magandang bentahan, magkanong pwede mong kitain?
400 lang.
400 pesos. Pero ang pagbili mo nito, paano?
5% lang kami yan.
5%.
10% lang yan.
Paano yung si kuya bumili rin ng banana? Paano yung mga nabulok na saging?
Wala, tinatapon na rin yung ma'am.
Tinatapon ninyo?
Wala na, bulok na eh.
Hindi nyo pinamimigay bago mabulok?
Wala na ma'am. Hindi na rin maano yun ma'am.
Nauubos din. Walang bumibili sa inyong kaning baboy, yung pabulok na saging?
Sa bodega lang yan.
Sa bodega naman. Saan nyo kinukuha yung saging nyo?
Davao.
Saan?
Davao.
Oo, pero ang bagsak sa Pier. Magkano bilihan doon? 22 per kilo. Naku, 22 per kilo, So they buy it at 22 per kilo at the Pier. And the bananas come from Davao. And then they'll sell it for 25, 30 or 35. So obviously, just a little income per day. We have tricycles here. These are our mode of transport here. Aside from jeepneys, no buses along Visayas Avenue. And then in front will be the wet market. Yeah. This place naman is a store. It's a favorite among homeowners of Yolago. We call it the Plastikan. Plastikan. And it's a big help for us, especially for the wives, because we can buy everything here at a much lower price without having to go to the malls or bigger grocery stores. These are plastic that you can put on the wooden floors. Iba-ibang kulay. Ito si kuya, dito ko iniiwan yung pinapamalengke ko pag umaga. Smile dyan. And these are the beautiful sales lady. O, sige, baka ma-discover ka na. O, sus, naiya ka pa. See, so we can buy everything here. From acetone, nail polish, paper plates, scotch tape, masking tape, lahat. School supplies. Everything for the home. See, everything is here at a lower price. And, ayan! And this is, ano pangalan mo?
Jenny Lynn pa.
Jenny Lynn, as pretty as her namesake na artista sa GMA7.
Mindanao for as low as 477 pesos. May biyahe na rin sa Zamboanga, Cebu at Tagbilaran. Sa Negros Navigation, tunay na mura. Tawag na sa 554.
O sige, manawagan ka na. Manawagan ka na sa nawawala mong boyfriend.
Buhay ka pa ba?
This is... Ano pangalan mo? Wala po siyang pangalan. Itago natin siya sa pangalang Bea Alonso. Okay. So especially during Christmas season, lots of people buy here gift items. Ay, Valentine's na pala. Correct. So expect a lot of sales before Valentine's. Plastic flowers. I know you don't like plastic flowers, but easier to maintain. Mas maganda pa rin yung fresh flowers. Okay. Oy, talagang pang Valentine na. Pillow for Valentine. Hello, good morning. Asan ang nanay mo? Okay. So, advance happy Valentine to everybody. May our Valentine date be first with the Lord and then with our family and loved ones. Good morning, nag-aayos ka? Kunyari nag-aayos. Ano? Sige. So, mababait at magaganda ang mga sales lady dito. Yes. Bye. God bless you. And this is the entry, small gate, toward our village. Ito si Mang Jun, our all-around guy. Yan. Without him, kawawa naman ang Violago Homes. Yan. Thank you, Mang Jun. So everything is accessible here. Everyone enters this small, narrow entrance exit. And this is our access to the main road outside where everything is within reach. Drugstore, wet market, grocery, and all the rides going to Makati, Quezon City, everywhere. Ang bigat ng bit-bit ko in fairness. So, ang hirap mag-video. I have to sign off. Goodbye and have a good day.